What's up, YouTube family? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you, Anthony, for complimenting my ass. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Thank you for complimenting that. Alright guys, so I know this vlog's going up late, but it's gonna be worth it. You wanna know why? Because either one, I'm gonna be working my car, or two, I'm gonna go to the track with my car. I'm not sure, it's tied up there right now, but either way, like in yesterday's vlog, JBA told me that they'll be sending me my spark plug wires. Well, they actually came in and tried to have a little meeting with Premium Auto Style, and he brought me my spark plug wires, and I also got my coolant overflow. But the only thing is kind of sucks, and it's my fault I didn't pay attention, is that my coolant overflow didn't come with a cap. What a genius, and I thought it would come with the cap, but I should have known, I should have checked. So I just ordered the cap for it, so that'll be here on Tuesday or Wednesday. So I'm gonna still connect everything, but I might be going to the track. I really don't know where this vlog is gonna go. I'll let you guys know, I'll keep you guys updated. And when I say going to the track, it's a time attack, and it's not a very big track at all. It's just something to have fun, to get my car out there and just have fun and make good content and have fun with you guys, and to put my car on track so I can officially say I'm a track car. But anyways guys, I'm gonna talk to Daniel and them and see what they're gonna say right now. So just jumping full force into coming and filming for Premium, I definitely didn't think this through. And I just have completely been devouring my own self with a lack of sleep because I didn't give myself like a 2-day in advance. And I was looking up how people daily vlog or post Monday through Friday, and how they post, like, they film something on Monday and don't post that till Wednesday. So they're always like a day behind, which makes sense, which gives me time to actually have a vlog prepared and scheduled for the following day, or technically 2 days away. You get with my drift. So I've been literally filming for them, filming my channel same day, editing for Premium and editing for myself. So this weekend I'm gonna be going to like 3 events, so I'll be ahead so I can have enough content, and on top of that I'll be posting up on time. I know I've been around the 8:30, 8:45 mark, but my goal is to post at 8 o'clock on the dot every single day, Monday through Friday. There's a beauty right there, looking nice and beautiful. I'm so tired, guys. I really don't want to go to the track, to be completely honest with you, but then again, I really don't want to work on my car, so I'm just in a bind no matter what.
You out, Hefe?
Hey, revving is not good for your motor. Alright? I definitely probably shouldn't have done that. Tad is probably gonna kill me. That's my tuner. But that's for you, YouTube. This thing is back, baby. Let's go! Alright guys, 100% should not have done that, especially when not having 100% tune. You think I will learn my lesson, but I'm sorry guys, I haven't drove this car in like 6 months. I had to do something. Everything's still good, nothing smells burnt. I definitely need to get a new clutch though. I definitely felt a little lightness on that. But anyways, right now we're about to install the spark plug wires from JBA, and then I'm gonna be installing my coolant overflow, which I definitely need. And see, oh, actually no coolant came out, surprisingly. But this is where it connects, right here. Boom, there it is. Shout out JBA. Appreciate you guys for shooting me these. And then also too, I'm gonna go get my coolant overflow. I'll show you what that looks like. Shout out to myself for not realizing it doesn't come with a cap. That's what she said. All right guys, got the coolant overflow reservoir. Shout out to eBay. So now we only have 2 problems. One, it didn't come with a cap, which I definitely thought it did. And 2, I don't know where the heck this goes. So I'm about to go Google, find out where this goes. But you know what? At the meantime, I think I found a spot for it. We're just gonna set this right there. Boom, there it is. We're done, guys. First installment of the day. It was really hard work. We got it done. That's how it goes, just like that. No, I'm just kidding. You guys are about to roast me in the comment section. I can't remember where this went, so I had to go Google it real quick. So I'll turn the camera on when I'm done. How's it going, guys? I'm on Hefe 2.0, the real race car driver. Well, it said it goes right here, but I just don't get how. Doesn't want to fake this, bro. It's like Pinterest, you know what I mean? Everything's look easy until you have to do it yourself.
Yeah, sounds about right. Yo, Hefe, what's going on right now, bro?
All right, guys. So I feel so stupid. Okay, so basically, the problem, can I get like up here, like maybe look skinny, like don't go full body, like you know, trying, you know what I mean, trying to like, you know, press the girls and stuff.
Hey.
Can't let them know fat. Anyway, so we ran into a problem. I feel so stupid saying this, but I don't know where this goes. I know where it goes, but I can't seem to get it to fit where it needs to go. I'm trying to look right now to research if the...
You're trying to make Mitchie do that.
I'm trying to have Mitch help me out to see if the 1LE and the SS are different, because this says from 2012 to 2015 Camaros. I'm pretty sure the 1LE is not different. Not trying to act like it's different or better car or anything like that. I just want to see if it's placed somewhere different. Hoping it's not, because I just bought this for like 50 bucks on eBay and I waited forever.
Nice.
So, shout out to that train I always talk about. Always messes me up. But anyways, guys, I promise we will get this installed today. If not, we still have the wires. I know exactly where those sparkle wires go. Alright, so he's trying to finagle it in, but pretty sure it doesn't go that way.
What if you just have to move this thing?
That might be a possibility right there.
It might be just like 2 or 3 bolts, yeah?
It might be super easy or it might be super hard. We don't know yet. Any luck?
I look and it's just, there's a stupid video of some guy
Just doing, yeah, he's just going like that, yeah. Whoever put that video on YouTube, I hate you. Because you didn't help at all.
American cars.
Hey, be nice.
Hey, I have an American car too.
Oh, that's true, huh? Definitely just opened it backwards, but I got you.
Oh.
Alright guys, whatever you do not pull this one out, because if you pull this one out, the car will disappear. Don't pull that one out. Alright guys, so we
fit it in there now.
Yeah, you just
the
dump it in now.
first problem we got right here. Got the fuse box off, and don't forget I did unplug the ECU. So don't forget, guys, when you start working with your electrical, don't forget to unplug your ECU, because you don't want to have any problems with anything. All right, guys, we got it. It fits. Let's close the hood, guys, and see how it runs.
What are we doing here?
No, just kidding. All right, now we're switching out the.
Oh no, he's here!
We're switching out the blinker fluid.
What am I doing? Hijacking this.
Alright guys, it's Daniel. So I just finished doing this whole install by myself. It takes about 15 minutes. You can find all the products that we use on
Alright guys, I swear, like, I've been working on myself. No one ever wants to help me here, but you know, I figured it out. Look at those are my hands too, working on that, guys. That easy. Look at how long did that take us to do that?
Like 10 seconds.
Easy 10 seconds. You know, I'm not like other YouTubers, guys, where fakes it. Like, no, we really know what we're doing. It's only took us an hour to get this far. Alright guys, so what we didn't want to be true was true. After only about 10 minutes of really thinking and putting together and measuring stuff out, finally I got to take out the bumper. It's been like an hour, guys. So we got to take out the front bumper because it mounts into the passenger side, like basically frame. So we're gonna take out the bumper right now, and we're gonna just get to work, get to go, get to do it. Everyone's over here leaving. Mitch leaving. Daniel, I don't know what Daniel's doing right now.
Saying bye to the vlog.
You're not gonna work on the car?
You know how tired I look. I'm so tired.
This is shop race car. You're just gonna leave it like this?
No, the Miata's a shop race car, dude.
Yeah, we don't have these.
What is this garbage?
American muscle crap.
Barry, you can't just. Oh, Larry. Oh, are you alright? How did. Barry!
No, I'm just kidding. Sorry, guys. I'm just.
I'm sorry. They think they're funny, but
No.
now we're getting this done. I really want to work on my car, so I'm excited.
I'm
Thank you,
trying to
Daniel.
hijack this vlog. Let me get up in here. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'll see you later, bro.
If you guys don't know what Primos, I only have about 20 and 30, 40 subscribers. We'll help out their channel so they can make some money.
Please, we need some subscribers.
YouTube, now that with the new YouTube recommendations, and I'm making nothing now. No, shout out to Johnny though. Johnny, Instagram will be in the description. YouTube channel will be in the description. His PayPal account will be in the description. Cause he ain't definitely getting paid by me.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
Passenger driver side is all taken apart. There's not that many screws to take off the bumper, stuff like that. Once again, shout out to my boy Johnny for really helping me out though, because I really don't want to be at the shop by myself working on my car. It's not that fun. Got Johnny here, got Edwin here, so shout out to them. But yeah, so there's really not that many screws to really take off, but I wasn't thinking we were gonna have to take off the bumper. So anyone out there, I know that there is no videos on how to replace your coolant overflow, so that's probably something I should probably do in the near future. I would make one right now, but I'm focused on making a vlog and showing you guys me work on the car instead of doing like a tutorial video, which will not be fun at all. So there's no videos on, you know, how to replace your coolant overflow for 2010 to 15 Camaros. So anyone out there thinking to start a channel, that might be some good content for you. But right now, I'm just trying to get my car working and running right so I get ready for the tune.
Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger.
Alright guys, so got everything off now. Well, got the bumper off. Now we're gonna see if we can get it on without moving the headlight, or if we have to move the headlight. We're not sure if you have to take the headlight off or not, but you know what, we're just take it off just in case you have to, just so we get it done and get it done correctly. I thought it was gonna be super easy, like slip in and stuff like that. No, definitely not. I should have known better. There you go right there. We found out where it goes. Not screwed down yet, but this is where it goes. Oh my gosh. This took forever to figure out, guys. I'm not even lying. Alright guys, so we're working on these right here. Remember, the coil packs are 1, 3, 5, 7. So technically it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's switch these out.
Hello.
Gotta check the dipstick, make sure you're getting power.
Oh! Nothing like throwing a little bit of oil on your motor. You know what I'm talking about?
Oh, alright guys, I gotta head out.
Alright guys. You sure you don't want to stay and help us?
I'm positive, bro.
Oh, damn, man. Later, brother. See you tomorrow.
Yeah, see you tomorrow.
You know you told me not to come tomorrow. I was like, oh, you know what, favorite? Alright guys, looking like a real race car now. We got the red showing over here. You look at a nice picture right there. That looks actually, it's a better brand, and on top of that, it looks cool. I think it's official. Me and Johnny are blood brothers now.
Nice.
Shout out to my boy Johnny. I just definitely went through the camera. Shout out to my boy Johnny for staying over here. It's like 10 o'clock at night. I still have to go edit this vlog. So thank you so much to everyone that's watching. Thank you to Johnny for helping out. We got everything done. Let's do one more little walkthrough real quick. What we did is we changed the spark plug wires to JBLs, and then JBA. Hey. And we found the location for the coolant overflow, which are the two things that we were basically missing. Well, we're missing the coolant overflow, and that's what we needed to get it tuned, but the JBAs were just a plus for us. So tomorrow I'm gonna go get the right screws for it, get the hose to connect it. Basically just connects right here, no big deal at all. And once I do that, I'm gonna put some gas in this bad boy because I definitely need gas. From like 3 vlogs ago, still gonna put gas in it. And then get prepared for the tune, and that's what it's gonna be. Didn't go to the track today. I felt like this is more necessary. Plus, we're not on 100% running tune yet, so I don't wanna mess with this motor before I even get a chance to put it on the real track. Anyways, guys, you already know what I'm gonna do with these parts right here. I already told you before. These right here they're not cheap. They're not no bad product. I only had it for a couple weeks. So if anyone out there needs the spark plug wires, boom, for the LS3. They're not the stock ones, so I mean, assume they'll be a little bit better. If you guys need them, slide in my DMs, and we'll ship them out to you. Only thing I ask is if you really live like far away, then I'll just ask you to pay for shipping, which these probably don't weigh any more than like a half a pound, so it shouldn't be expensive. If anyone of you guys need these though, hit me up and you guys can get them. They're basically probably like 3 or 4 weeks old. So we're gonna wrap up the video right now. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys had a great time. Hopefully you guys learned some stuff, because I definitely learned a lot. What me and John are gonna do is we're gonna make a full video on how to change or replace your coolant overflow, because there's no videos on YouTube. So when we put this together, we're gonna make the video then. But it probably won't be a vlog, it'll just probably be a tutorial video. But thank you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Don't forget to smash that like button. And I'll see you guys on Monday. Hope you guys have a great weekend.
Weeping? Nice.
Hey. Dap. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys on Monday.
I'll do you in the bottom while you're drinking sangria. Nachos, lemon heads, my dad's boat. You won't go down.